Cricket Wireless is what's called an MVNO, a mobile virtual network operator. This means Cricket doesn't own cell towers, but instead uses AT&T's existing network infrastructure to provide service to customers. Since Cricket operates on AT&T's network, your 5G service quality depends entirely on AT&T's infrastructure. However, during peak usage times, AT&T may prioritize their direct customers over Cricket customers, which can result in slower speeds for Cricket users. The first step in troubleshooting 5G issues is checking coverage. Cricket's 5G network is constantly expanding, with the strongest coverage in urban areas. You should verify that 5G service is actually available in your specific location. Understanding speed expectations is crucial. Cricket's 5G Plus can deliver between 114 and 444 megabits per second, while regular 5G typically ranges from 46 to 254 megabits per second. For comparison, 4G LTE usually provides 7 to 61 megabits per second. Before diving into technical troubleshooting, always verify the basics. Make sure your Cricket Wireless account is active and your monthly plan is paid up. An inactive account or unpaid bill will prevent any data connection, including 5G service. If you've confirmed coverage exists and your account is active but you're still experiencing significantly slower speeds than expected, then it's time to move on to more detailed troubleshooting steps involving your device settings and network configuration. If you're in a 5G coverage area and your account is active, the next step is checking your phone's APN settings. Incorrect APN settings are one of the most common causes of connectivity issues. For Android devices, you'll need to navigate to Settings, then Mobile Networks, and finally, Access Point Names. Here's what the settings screen looks like. For iPhone users, the process is slightly different. Go to Settings, then Cellular, and finally Cellular Data Network to access these configuration options. Here are the exact APN settings you need to enter for Cricket Wireless. Make sure each field matches these values precisely, as even small typos can prevent your connection from working. If updating your APN settings doesn't solve the problem, there are several other quick troubleshooting steps you can try. These simple fixes often resolve connectivity issues. If none of these steps resolve your 5G connectivity issues, don't hesitate to contact Cricket Wireless support. They can help with advanced troubleshooting, account provisioning, or provide a replacement SIM card if needed.